To learn kind words we can say when we make a little mistake. I'm sorry is the word we say.
Ding.
Oops, I spilled my cup. I'll clean it right away. I say I'm sorry with a smile and help to save the day. Uh-oh, say sorry, sorry, make it right today. Be kind, be gentle, it's the nicest way. Yay! If my words came out too loud, or I made a grumpy face, I take a breath, I say I'm sorry, and give a warm embrace. Saying sorry shows you care, it's kindness we can share. It helps to make a friendship strong and happy all day long. You drop a toy, I'm sorry, I'll pick it up. You shout too loud, I'm sorry, I'll speak softly. You make a mess, I'm sorry, I'll clean it up. Click! Say sorry, sorry, make it right today. Be kind, be gentle, it's the nicest way. Sorry's just the start, my friends, we fix it to the